So, hello everyone. So, for today's video is I'm gonna share to you or discuss to you but ang ano ng ilaw, ganyan na lang. So, for the college enrollment requirements are the following. So, we have when preparing for college enrollment, there are several important steps and documents that you will need to have. So, here's a general checklist to guide you through the process. First is the required documents. First is we have the high school diploma or certificate of graduation. Prove that you have completed your secondary education, either JHS, junior high school, or senior high school. Okay? Next is the transcript of records or what we call the Form 137. So, your high school grades, which the college will use to assess your academic background. So, i-check talaga nila if wala kang, hindi ka ba, tawag dito, um, parang nag-stop kasi tuloy-tuloy yung ano mo, yung pagpasok mo sa school at maganda yung records mo and grades mo. Next is entrance exam results. If the college requires an entrance exam, you have your results or admission test scores ready. Okay, so dapat kinikip nyo to, and then also merong mga schools talaga na hindi nagpapa-entrance exam like sa UCLM, University of Cebu, Lapu-Lapu, and Mandaue, hindi sila nagpapa-entrance exam sa mga eduk students. Sa senior high school, hindi ko na-try yun. Ewan ko if ngayon, if nagpapa-entrance exam na sila. But sa college, nagpapa-entrance exam sila sa nursing, sa engineering ba yun? Basta accountancy and engineering yung sa pagkakaalam ko. Just verify it na lang sa university if meron silang entrance exam. Next is birth certificate, of course. An official copy of your birth certificate usually is required for identification verification kasi syempre i-check talaga nila kung paano i-spell yung pangalan mo, if one word lang ba yan, two words, or anything, if may double S ba yan, double R, double T, double L, o 'di ba? So importante talaga 'yun. And ngayon is PSA na siya, hindi na siya NSO. Meron kasi ibang school na mahigpit na bawal na NSO, dapat talaga PSA na. Next is certificate of good moral character, often required by colleges to ensure you have maintained good conduct in school. Like hindi ka ba nagkakating, hindi ka ba nagda-drugs or ano. So this certificate would really verify na mabait ka talagang estudyante and maganda yung track record mo. And next is 2 by 2 ID photos, of course. Marami kang forms na fill upan na kailangan ng pogi at maganda mong picture, 'di ba? And making sure it's formal. Wag yung selfie or nakawaki ka. Yung white yung background. Minsan pa yung iba meron dapat yung name tag, like i-edit mo lang siya. And then use formal attire, like naka-uniform ka as a student, ganun. So, several copies of recent ID. Recent, hindi yung mga baby photos mo. So, typically required for various forms and ID cards. Another one is medical certificate. So, some colleges may require a medical certificate to confirm your fitness to study. Next is barangay clearance. Optional lang to. Some institutions may ask for this as proof of residency or good conduct in the community. Next, let's tackle about the financial documents needed during college enrollment. First is tuition payment receipts. Proof of payment for your tuition fees or initial down payment. Next is scholarship documents. If you are applying for or have been granted a scholarship, prepare the relevant documents needed. Okay, and then if ever merong aberya na nangyari sa mga financial documents na to, you can simply contact your school kung ano ba yung mga kailangan mong gawin para mas mapabilis yung pagkuha mo sa mga documents na 'to. Next is financial aid application. So, if applying for financial aid, have your completed application and any supporting documents ready para hindi ka na pabalik-balik sa sa pupuntahan mo. Next, student loan information. If you're applying for a student loan, prepare the necessary pay- paperwork. Next is the enrollment form. So, application form. So, the form you filled out to apply to the college either online or in print. Next is enrollment form. This is usually provided by the college once you are accepted and is used to finalize your enrollment. Make sure ha tama yung pagkasulat nyo ng name nyo, yung age nyo, yung lahat ng details niyo dapat make sure tama and then readable siya. Huwag niyo namang parang doktor yung pagkasulat kasi magkaka-error yan and then of course aayusin mo na naman. Kapag enrollment dapat slowly but surely. Okay? Next is course selection or subject enlistment form. Some colleges allow you to choose your courses or subjects during enrollment. Sa UCLM, ganun kami. Nagpipick kami ng mga courses and subjects na gusto namin. Like, pang morning ba kami, pang afternoon ba, ganun. Next is, yun, is personal preparation. Tapos na ba tayo? Okay. Personal preparation, school supplies, and textbooks. So have a list of required school supplies and textbooks if provided by the college. Okay, and prepare also money for that one. Next is accommodation arrangement. So if you're moving away from home, like magbo-boarding house ka, ensure your housing arrangements are finalized. Okay? Next is transportation. Plan your commute to and from the campus including any necessary travel passes. Kasi baka magulat ka na lang, hindi pala yan magugulat ka na lang yung pagkasakay mo ng jeep iba na pala yung ruta, 'di ba? Tapos first time mo pang mag-commute, oh, edi late ka na. So, magpaturo ka na is best na magpaturo ka sa parents mo, sa mga ate at kuya mo, or sa mga friends mo na mahilig mag-commute, gano'n. So, it's better to be prepared than sorry. Next, orientation schedule. So, check if the school offers scheduled orientation for new students and make sure to really attend and take down notes kasi marami silang ibibigay diyan na school regulations, mga do's and don'ts sa school, do's and don'ts ng mga students, and etc. Next, other considerations to prepare and to remember is identification cards. So, your student ID, which might be issued during or after enrollment, laptop, or tech requirements is depending on your course. You might need a laptop or specific software. Okay, like usually na specific software is yung mga Microsoft Office like MS Words, Google MS Excel, but sa Google meron naman eh, Google Sheets, Google Docs. Kapag sa phone, WPS, gano'n. As in, needed mo talaga yan. Lalo na kapag estudyante ka kasi madaming teachers na sinesend na lang yung mga soft copy o PDF, basahin nyo na lang. It's either ipiprint nyo or hindi. Kasi minsan tinatamad na silang mag-print or humingi pa ng pera. Tapos, syempre, nagmamadali yan to discuss things that are needed to be discussed. Next is extracurricular or club. So think about any clubs or organizations you want to join and prepare to sign up. Okay? Kasi maganda din yung mga clubs kasi na-enhance yung passion mo. Let's say, mahilig kang mag-badminton, mahilig kang mag-ping-pong. Tapos, pwede mo niya i-showcase sa intramurals, diba? Maganda din yan. And then, you would have a lot of connections sa mga coaches mo, mga teachers, mga other school department, like makikilala mo, ganun. Next is health insurance. Some colleges require or offer student health insurance, so check if this applies to you. Okay? Sa UCLM, meron. 50 ata yung binayad namin dati. So, be sure to check the specific requirements of your college, as they may vary slightly from the list. Okay? Hindi yan talaga yun yung common, but hindi talaga siya specific on a particular university. Okay? Like, kunin mo talaga lahat ng requirements mo or mga things that you need to undergo sa pinasukan mong university. And that's all. Thank you for viewing. Bye!